Hi guys, good morning. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to cook eggy toast. So sometimes we wake up, for example, I wake up just 5 minutes ago and I don't feel like doing any kind of effort to make breakfast, but I still want to eat really something tasty. So I don't want to think much, I don't want to do much, but I still want to eat good food. So what are we gonna do? Let's do something. So I'm gonna share with you what do we need to make this eggy toast. I'm gonna ask you to have 2 eggs. Then we are gonna need butter, not this much, but I'm just gonna cut a little bit. Then I'm gonna need spices. I love mint, dried mint, so I'm gonna use dried mint. I'm gonna use red sweet pepper, and I'm gonna use black pepper. Then we are gonna need 2 pieces of toast bread, and then 2 pieces of, then we are gonna need 2 pieces of cheese with this much cutting. So I cut it this one a little bit fatter because I like cheese. If you don't like cheese, you don't have to use it, or if you want just a little bit, then you can cut thin. This is my bamboo knife and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna use this to make my toast. So guys, after that we are gonna have our eggs in such thin. So I'm using 1 egg for me, and when my husband will wake up, I will use the second one. I'm gonna mix up my spices. It smells good. And then I'm gonna add into my egg. Mix it up with a knife. Mix it up nicely, guys, so all the spice will be there. Our mix, and we are gonna add on a half of the toast like that. So we place our 1 piece of bread here, place the second one nearby, then we close the toast and we wait. Then we open the toast, then we add a little bit butter to our bread. Then we cut in a half, and then we take our egg, make sure that it's soft and nice, then we flip it. Once you flipped, then you add your cheese in here. Then we take the other half of our bread and then we place it. Then we close our toaster. We keep it like this until the cheese melts. Then we open our toaster and see the cheese is melted already. I can see that. We take our cheese. I'm gonna cut in here. Oh my God, it looks so good. You see? You see, guys? You see that? You see that good thing here? Voila, guys. Bon appetit, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching us. If you like our video, please click the like button. If you wish, you could subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.